Nick, summer's here. There's limited time for the sun in Washington. Let's take advantage of this weather.
I agree, Colin. Let's go outside and enjoy this weather on some motorcycles.
Let's do it.
Woohoo! And who said it only rains in Washington?
This is awesome!
Woo! It's getting dark out here.
Look out, Colin!
Whoa! Ow, my leg!
911, we need an ambulance. My friend just crashed his motorcycle.
I think my leg's broken.
We need to get this man some help.
Need your insurance card, please?
Yeah, right here.
Looks like it's going to be a $250 copay.
Wow.
What's the status, Doc? It appears the leg is broken.
Man, that took so much longer than I thought it was going to.
Well, you broke your leg. They had to set it. Let's just get checked out and get out of here.
Here's the bill. Looks like it's $22,000. We'll have to run it through the insurance carrier to find out what your total responsibility is.
Oh my gosh. How am I supposed to afford this?
Wow, I had no idea I was going to have to pay that much money today. How much more is this going to cost me?
Let's break it down. First, you have your emergency room copay, which in this example is $250. Then, depending on your plan, you will have to satisfy your deductible. For this example, we are going to use a deductible of $2,000. After that, you will then be responsible for your portion of the coinsurance. If your plan pays 80%, then you will be responsible for the other 20%.
20%? That can really add up.
That's why you have an annual out-of-pocket maximum. In this case, that is $5,000.
What does that exactly mean?
Your plan's annual out-of-pocket maximum is the most you will spend in a calendar year for covered expenses including copays, deductibles, and your coinsurance.
I'm feeling overwhelmed with all these numbers. Can you break it down for me?
Alright, let's break down your total charges. Your total charges including your emergency room visit, your doctor's charges, and your outpatient surgery for your broken leg are totaling $22,000. First, you're going to pay your ER copay, which is $250, and your deductible, which is $2,000. Your balance at this point is the $22,000 in hospital expenses, minus the $250 emergency room copay, minus the $2,000 deductible, which leaves you at $19,500. Next comes the coinsurance, and since your plan pays 80% of the balance, you're only responsible for paying 20% of the balance. So $19,500 times 20% leaves you with $3,900. Alright, let's add all your costs up. So you have the $250 ER copay, plus the $2,000 deductible, plus the remaining $3,900, which adds up to $6,150.
Wait a minute. I thought you said the most I would have to pay in a year is only $5,000.
Instead of owing $6,150, your total expense would be capped at $5,000, or your annual maximum out of pocket, and all remaining charges for the rest of the calendar year would be covered at 100%.
What happens if I need physical therapy or a prescription?
Since you have already met your maximum out-of-pocket for the calendar year, those services will be covered at 100% as long as they are covered charges.
So you're saying that even if my bill had been $220,000, I still would have only been responsible for paying $5,000?
Yep, you've got it.
Well, what about my premiums? Do I still have to pay those?
Your premiums are not included in your out-of-pocket maximum and must be kept current in order to receive coverage.
Thanks, Nick. Now I have a much better understanding of how these numbers all work together.
Thanks for tuning in to another Benny Boys production. Make sure to get outside, enjoy the sunshine, and stay safe out there.
Be sure to check out our YouTube channel, our ever-growing insurance glossary of terms, and be sure to give us a comment, a like, and a subscribe while you're there.